Hello everyone, my name is Dahlia from class 4 TBIB. Here I will review traditional food typical of the region, namely chiller. Chiller is a specialty food from the Pangkal Pinang area, Bandung, West Java. Chiller is made from natural ingredients without a mixture of chemicals. A mixture of tapioca flour, salt, flavoring, eggs mixed with spice such as soy sauce, and sometimes some are added with chili powder. The dough is formed into rounds like chimol, skewered and chopped like satay, then fried and cut with eggs. After that, it is put into plastic. When there are buyers and buyers can consume directly like that. The price for one skewer is 1,000 rupiah. The taste of chiller is a very good, a combination of savory, spicy, salty, and sweet into one. Chiller can be customized according to your taste because you can adjust the amount of seasoning, and it's worth it. And of course I like it because the savory, tasty, and chewy texture of this chiller makes a distinctive taste and makes me addicted. I rate this food 8 from 10. Okay, let's try it. I like it. Maybe enough from me. Thank you and see you.